In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter the master data. The master data must be filled in before you can enter a new product into the data entry. The master data consists of 5 categories: the brands, the ingredients, the packages, the microbiological sets, and the context information. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add the information for these categories. Starting off at brands, here you can add new brands and change your existing ones. For example, when you click on add, after you enter the name of the brand and you click on save, you will get additional options. First, you can change the allergen formatting. Although the standard is bold, you are able to change it to your liking. After that, you can select private label. This is applicable when you have other producers making products under your private label brand. The producers will be able to select your private label brand when entering a product into the data entry. We advise you to show your product publicly into our food book. In the case you do not want this, you can deselect this option. This also counts for the option to show your brands on your producer page. After that, you can select the option to let all producers of this brand be able to publish the articles. And lastly, you can add the logo of your brand. After you added all your brands, you want to add your ingredients. Just like with the brands, this is where you can add and change your existing ingredients. These ingredients can be selected once you created a product. This will be shown in a later video. We start off by clicking on add. Here you can enter the internal name and the declaration name. The difference between these is that the internal name is the name you will see on the list when creating a product later on, and the declaration name is the name shown on your label. After you click save, you will get additional fields. Here you can fill in the translation of the ingredients and the country of origin. In the tab used in, you can see what products use this ingredient. In case you change this ingredient later on, it will be changed in all products that use this ingredient. After you complete your list of ingredients, you need to add your packages. This works the same way as adding ingredients. You click on add, then enter the packaging name. This name will be visible when selecting it within the product you make later on. After the name, you need to select your packaging type, for example, bottle. After you click save, you need to add the dimensions of the packaging. The weight of the material as well as the deposit amount and the location traceability code are optional. Do not forget to also add the boxes and or pallets if you use these. You can select the packaging within the logistic information when you created a product. If applicable, you can add your microbiological sets. Again, this works the same like the categories above. Click add, enter the name and select the stage. After you click save, you need to insert your microorganisms. These can be selected from the list. Do not forget to enter a value at the unit of measurement. You are not limited by one microorganism. By tapping on insert multiple times, you can add more. You can select these channels at the logistic information within your created product. Lastly, you need to add your contact information. Click on add, then enter the internal name and the name. The lower fields are shown on your product specification in our food book. After saving, you can enter your communication address. I suggest you enter the address you have on your own labels. After that, you can add multiple communication channels in the tab above. This works the same as the microorganisms. You are not limited by one. And as like before, you can select these channels in the logistic information. After you've fully filled in all the information at master data, we can continue by creating a new product. This will be further explained in the next video.